Greetings and welcome to this brand new video. In this video, I will show you an easiest method to downgrade from iOS 27 down to iOS 26. This tutorial will also work on iOS 28. You will just have to use the latest signed IPSW to restore your device to an older signed version. The method shown in this video is completely free. It is completely official. As you can see, I have this iPhone SE which is currently running iOS 27. Before you downgrade, make sure when you open your settings main page, you will see your signed Apple ID here. If you have signed in, simply tap on it, then scroll to Find My, and then simply turn off Find My iPhone or Find My iPad from here. It will ask you for your Apple ID's password. Type it here and turn it off. This will prevent you to get locked out after a downgrade or a restore. Of course, you can get in by simply typing in your Apple ID and password there, but this step will save you some hassle. To make a backup, you can head to your Apple account, head to iCloud, and from there you can simply back up your device by simply hitting backup now after you turn this toggle on. Of course, you can use iTunes to also back up your data to iCloud or your computer. Now let's head to the computer.
First of all, on your computer, you will have to get the latest version of iTunes for your Windows computer. You can simply head to the official website for Apple and get the latest iTunes from here. You will simply hit this button and then you can get the setup file for iTunes, and then you can install it like any other app. Once iTunes is installed, restart your computer once and then open iTunes and then hook your iOS device to your computer via USB, and your device should show up here. You can see I have this iPhone SE running iOS 27.0. You can also manually back up your data from here on iCloud or this computer. Now, if you want to restore the data on a previous version such as iOS 26, I have already made a separate guide which will guide you through it, and it will fix your backup not compatible issue completely. That guide is in the description and in the card above. Now, to begin with the downgrade, simply hit this model number or serial number, and within 1 to 2 taps you will find the model identifier. Simply note the model identifier down like it is iPhone 12,8. Now simply head to IPSW.me. It is completely free. Now from there you can select your iOS device manually, or for your ease you can simply hit the address bar, put a slash here, and then type your model identifier. So mine is iPhone 12,8. Make sure that you type it in proper caps and then simply press enter. From there you will see the latest signed IPSW for iOS 26. You will simply hit it, scroll down, and you will find the option to download it. Before making this video, to save your time, I have already downloaded the IPSW for my iPhone SE for iOS 26.5. Now simply go back to iTunes. Now at this point, simply press and hold the shift key on your keyboard and then left click the restore iPhone or restore iPad button here. From there, select the IPSW you just downloaded and then hit open. You will see this message that iTunes will erase and restore your iPhone to the said firmware. Then hit on restore. From there, you will just have to be patient and let the process complete. While your device is being downgraded or restored, simply keep it unlocked. The downgrade or the restore is now complete. Your device will now restart. Your device will now show up on iTunes in a few seconds. Now from here, you can restore from this backup which you have created previously on a higher version. But before you do so, you will have to fix it. The fix guide is again in the description. You will also see it in the pinned comment for your ease. Complete the process and then you can restore the backup. This time I will set it up as new iPhone. Alright, you can see my device is now on iOS 26.5. Now we will get to our device and complete
the device will be at the hello screen. Press the home button or swipe up. Simply continue. Now simply select your Wi-Fi network. Now from there, if you have a backup on your iCloud, you can simply use the from iCloud backup option. You will simply sign in with your Apple ID, hit continue to restore the backup to your device. Alright, simply hit get started and we are back. Now if you open settings, go to general, about, you can see we are now indeed on iOS 26.5. That's all for this video guys. If you have any question, please ask in the comment section and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye and take care of yourself.